Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get video wallpaper on your iPod Touch 4th generation and iPhone 4th generation. You're going to have to add the source, repo.insanelyeye.com. I'll put that in the video description. Once you add that source, go to search, type in V wallpaper. There you see V wallpaper for iOS 4, and if you're on 3rd generation 3.0, then you could just download it right there too. Once you download that, it'll also download the Screw Common, who makes V wallpaper, and you're going to be able to get an option to download more video wallpaper. So once you have that installed and downloaded, let's go to V wallpaper. Looks like that. Open it up. Make sure to enable the video, and you could download more videos from the different repositories. They have a bunch of different backgrounds you could download, and just select the video you want. We'll put on the waves. Just click yes I want, and if it's the first time, it'll respring. If not, there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to comment.